Hello guys, welcome back to Life and Living. Today we are going to take a look on 13 dining table decoration ideas that aren't just for holidays. While creating the perfect tablescape for a holiday or birthday is always enjoyable, there are numerous ways to keep your dining table looking beautiful on a daily basis. We've gathered 13 low-cost dining table decor ideas, many of which are doable. Why not make each meal a special occasion? Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button to be notified every time we update a new video on this channel. Let's get into it. 1. Introduce fresh flowers. Any room in the house is instantly made happier with fresh flowers, and your dining table is no different. Whether you can clip garden clippings from your own backyard or establish a weekend tradition of going to the farmer's market, you will be grateful when you can savor gorgeous blooms every time you dine. 2. Disperse a few candlesticks. Candles brighten every day and instantly create a festive atmosphere at any dinner table. Visit a thrift store if you don't already have a collection of candlestick holders. You will come across a ton of lovely styles that work well together to make an eye-catching arrangement. 3. Combine vases in a group. Gather little vases, arrange for them to be arranged on the dining table like a royal family. They nevertheless provide an artistic impression even when they are empty of flowers or branches. 4. Combine various decorative pieces. Who says your dining table has to have just one focal piece? If you're fond of candles, vases, ceramic plates, and other items, put a few of your best finds together to make a small vignette. 5. Put some fruit in a pretty bowl. There's no reason why your dining room decor can't be useful as well. Arrange some of your fresh produce in a beautiful bowl or basket for storage that also serves as artwork. Fresh fruits and vegetables give any table vibrancy and texture. 6. Select elegant candles. Taper candles are frequently seen on dining tables, but pillar candles also look very nice. Pick candles with a striking color. In this dining area, black goes really well with the sideboard and dining chairs. 7. Highlight a favorite plant. We understand that you enjoy decorating your home with various green companions. Put your favorite plant, a pothos, maybe, into a table-sized pot and observe its growth over time. 8. Consider using a tablecloth. Though tablecloths aren't used as frequently as they once were, don't discount their power. A delightfully classic tablecloth, it adds warmth to this minimalist dining area. 9. Describe air plants. An air plant bowl gives color to this monochromatic dining area and works well year-round. 10. Adhere to modern standards. Tall empty vases look elegant on top of this circular table surrounded by curved chairs in this modern home. 11. Consider tall. A simple yet artistic centerpiece for your dining table can be created by filling a tall pedestal with decorative beads. 12. Maintain simplicity. On this dining table, a lone palm leaf in a vase creates a chic yet carefree statement. Less really is more in certain cases. 13. Make blossoms last. This dried flower arrangement looks lovely on your dining table and requires very little upkeep. Whether you want to go for something bold or neutral, pick a variety of colors that go well with your furniture and decor. That's all for now. Hope you find this video helpful and interesting. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.